Namaskaram. We will continue with our output questions. This question is from the portion string handling. The question: find and write the output of the following Python code. MSG1 equal to welcome, MSG2 equal to guess, then MSG3 an empty string. Then a for loop for I in range 0 to len of MSG2 plus 1. What will be the result of len of MSG2? MSG2 equal to guess, GUESTS. What is the length? 6. So len of MSG2 plus 1 you will get 7. So the range is 0, 7. I ranges from 0 to 6. Then come to the body of the loop. If MSG1 of I greater than or equal to capital letter A and MSG1 of I less than or equal to capital letter M. What is the value of MSG1 of I when the value of I is 0? It is W. Capital letter W. That is, if the value of MSG1 of I is in between A and M, including both these values, A and M. So initially what is the value of MSG1 of I? When the value of I is 0, it is capital letter W. W will not come in between A and M. So go for the elif part. Elif MSG1 of I greater than or equal to N and MSG1 of I less than or equal to Z. Now it is in between N and Z. W is in between N and Z. So what do you have to do? MSG3 equal to MSG3 plus MSG2 of I. What is there in MSG3? Empty string. So you have to add the value of MSG2 of I with this empty string. What is there in MSG2 of I? MSG2 of 0, G is there. So when you add this G with the empty string, you will get G. Then go for the next iteration. That is when the value of I is 1. If MSG1 of I is in between uppercase A and uppercase M. Here it is lowercase e. Lowercase and uppercase letters are treated differently in Python. And also this string comparison is using ASCII values. So the small letter e will not come in between the range. Go for the next option. Elif MSG1 of I in between capital letter N and capital letter Z. This statement also will give false. So go for the else part. What is there in else? MSG3 equal to MSG3 plus star. So what will be added with MSG3? Star. String concatenation. Then go for the next value for I. That is 2. MSG1 of I. See the value of MSG1 of I. It is capital letter L. Is it in between capital letter A and M? Yes. So this statement will give true. Come to the if part and execute this statement. MSG3 equal to MSG3 plus MSG1 of I. MSG1 of I is L. So what you will get here? L. L is concatenated. Then elif and else will not execute. Go for the next iteration. That is when the value of I is 3. MSG1 of I is small letter C. Here both the if and elif contains only capital letters. So go for the else part. MSG3 equal to MSG3 plus star. So here you will get star. Then next iteration. MSG1 of I, that is capital letter O. Is it in between A and M? No. Then come to the elif part. Is it in between uppercase N and Z? Yes. M, N, O. O is in between N and Z. So what we have to do? MSG3 equal to MSG3 plus MSG2 of I. What is there in MSG2 of I? It is T. So T is concatenated with this MSG3. So here you will get T. Capital letter T. Then go for the next iteration. MSG of 5. It is M here. Is it in between A and M? Yes. Because M is included. It is less than or equal to. So this statement will be executed. MSG3 equal to MSG3 plus MSG1 of I. MSG1 of I is M. So M is added with MSG3. Here M. Then go for the next iteration. MSG1 of 6. It is E here. E is in between A and M. So what do you have to do? MSG3 plus MSG1 of I. MSG1 of I is E. So you have to add this capital letter E with this string MSG3. Now the value of phi is 6 and our range is only up to 6. So the for loop will stop its iteration. Come out of the loop. What is the? Print MSG3. What is there in MSG3? G star L star TME. G star L star TME. Okay, we will execute the program. Here is our program. Let me execute it. G star L star TME. Okay, I think you understood how to solve the output questions. We will see some more questions later. Thank you.